Hey guys, I'm back with another video of, one of my favorite games, Railroads Online. And we're playing on my server, obviously, only my server. And I need to check if the 042 Porter has different paint schemes. I don't know. I think it does. Oh, you could already hear the sound. I've expanded to the sawmill. What a lovely surprise. I got a weight car on the back. Expand to the sawmill. I hope y'all like the setup. I'll show you the setup here if I can. Figure out how to get on top of there, I will. Let me see if I can. Make sure I oh my gosh. And I guess I'm not gonna put it on top. Okay, so anyway. Betsy, my fan favorite, my favorite. No paint schemes. Except for that one. This one also has none. What a champ. This one also has none. So, that's question answered then. Yeah, I expanded to the sawmill. Over here, oh my god, it took so long to do, I tell you. That way it's gonna go to the smelter, as you can see on the mini-map. And I'm excited to expand down there. And this expands to there, which I already have some beams and some planks here. So yeah, I got a bit of money. Even more broke than last time. I'm very broke. Got 770 bucks. I only did one train here, obviously, because yeah, I only did one train. So today we're gonna do a couple of trips, and yeah. So yeah, we're gonna do them couple of trips. I'm really excited to get new engines, more cars, and yeah, I'm so excited for that. And yeah, this year it was so hard to lay the track right here. It's so squiggly too. I really like how squiggly it is. Makes the train look like a snake a bit. Oh, don't worry about the switch. To be honest, that kind of scared me there. Ooh, what's this? A lie? Just wonder. Really do wonder. Oh, it hooks up with the main line. Nice. I really am going insane. Okay. Still got every single car. Alright. Now going downhill. Yay. I honestly can't wait to get some really fast engines back to Eureka and the Glenbrook, because those are like the fastest engines in the game right now. And they have very little tractive effort, but a lot of speed. You might be wondering, where the heck is the snowplow? I thought you had a snowplow. It's at the no, not the sawmill, the logging camp. And yeah, my real railway company is the Denver and Rio Grande after the real Denver and Rio Grande, and the ES and D and Suffering and Trying Railroad is the line between the logging camp and the sawmill. Ooh, you can see it up there, but that's just. I don't think I really changed it. I think I did by upgrading the sloop here a bit and adding another siding. For the passing lane once I turned it into a siding. So yeah. Because I need a lot of log cars here, and in case of special emergencies down the sawmill, I could quickly teleport here, get the shay out of the shed, get it all fired up, hook up to all the log cars. I'm gonna preload them, then I'm gonna run out here and just sell them. And that's basically a logging emergency. I don't know if the shay will approve of this track. I think it will, but I know some of the bigger engines like the Class 70 won't. It definitely won't. The Glenbrook, the Eureka might, but the Glenbrook won't, I think. That's what I think. At least the freight cars approve. Okay. Slowly. Ooh, wait, what? There's a buffer there. Oh yeah, I made that into another siding because this siding's big. And so the 12-car siding could be for the cornwood cars, and then the smaller siding could be for more log cars, and then this big siding could be more log cars. But in the big yard, I am gonna have more log cars and cornwood cars because I need the log cars for pipes, and the cornwood cars could be for barrels of oil, and that's, yeah. And that's that. Yeah. Oh yeah. The snowplow is over there by the engine getting ready station type of thing. It's over there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Good old Betsy. I might need to service you because we're running kind of low on wood. And you. Because we need to keep you fired up and running because you're the only engine here that I have. Betsy is not part of the ES and D S and T railroad. It's just working for them because they have no engines. They only have railroad. They only have these couple of cars and the weight car and the snow plow. But yeah. Just gotta load these up and 2 more cars to load. I think I'm doing this convenient. It might not be convenient for our people, but I think it's pretty convenient for me. So yeah. I might actually, when these are loaded, sorry about that, that's a virtual rail camera I forgot to mute. Please excuse Amtrak from coming through. I do sincerely apologize for that. That was a virtual rail cam I have set up that I am watching. I think it's at Strasbourg. So yeah. And I bet another engine will be coming through. a steam engine because it's a heritage sign. So yeah. I do sincerely apologize for Amtrak coming through and blowing its horn. I do apologize. I honestly don't like loading these cars that much, but I have to get it done for the money, and I need money because I'm the railroad. I'm part of the railroad, you know? I'm the railroad. So... Almost done, and I think I'm done, yeah. Bless me. Okay, now I can go. Come on, Betsy. You could do it. Alright, now I could just leave the front door on full, and I should be good. I think. I honestly hope I am. This shay is kind of nice for like a road engine, but I'm only going to be using it for logging, so it's a logging engine for me. It's good for a shunting engine because you don't have to worry about slamming into cars and stuff. Yeah, but that's practically what's nice about the shay. Switching, but it's not really good for shit, I'm really going fast. Yeah, it's not really good for a road engine, but it's good for when you start playing the game. So yeah, it's good for small runs, not huge important runs that you want to go full speed on, because the shay it's not a fast engine. So yeah, climbing the hills hurts me with Bessie because I have to climb it with full log cars, and you see I'm bogging down, which stands for I'm slowing down. Okay. I think I should be good. Yeah, I should. Alright. Right, highball happening somehow in the clear. I'm a bit worried about these pieces, but not really these pieces because only the log cars are practically going to be running on here. Because that, maybe, I don't know. Oh shoot, we're bouncing around. Let off the brake. Right, brakes. I might need to upgrade that a bit, but it's whatever. until I get like the big engines and stuff. Yeah. Come, Betsy, what the hell are you doing? I thought you were a good starting engine. Tisk, 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 tisk. Wait, let's see. I want to see how much money Betsy is. First, so I can see how much money I started off with. And, so Betsy's 1,900 bucks. Then, wait, 1,900 bucks plus 300 would be 2,100 bucks. So you're telling me I had 4,100 bucks. So I started, and I couldn't afford a better engine. Tisk. But at least I even have an engine. Right. Okay, I'm making money. Getting 2,000, please. Alright, 1,010 bucks. That's good. I think. Okay, let's see how much I have right now. 27, which is a lot, and 27. So they're practically equal. But I have to wait to see how it does. Yeah. I wish they would simulate actually being pulled up, and it goes into here, and there will be more of an interior in there. Pine Valley Lumber Co. So yeah, might as well head back to get some more logs and service Betsy a bit. So yeah. Alright. It kinda worries me going through here. Kinda does, because it's cramped back here. Because of the mountain, and the highest curve I can do is 30 degrees. Where I put the points, because the points are massive. And it just worries me a bit. I really like the entrance into here. I really like it. I think it's a beautiful part of my railroad. I like it. Come on, let's see, you can do it. Alright. On the main line again. And I need to make it 2,000. It's fine, Betsy will be fine going. She'll be fine, I think. This is engine 2,500 bucks. So yeah. Let's see. Practically just, if I need to, I'll just buy this brake for safety reasons, in case I can't get back to the engine. Oh, yep, brakes. Betsy. That's beautiful. Get up there while I can. Ooh, see, I think that's kind of pretty. Betsy just slogging up the hill. Let's do track. There. Why did it take me so many clicks to get rid of that tree? Now, on the part where I can get this tree moving. Alright. We're all good. Ah, what the hell? Alright, we're gonna haul through the entire way through and get into the service area so I can service Betsy. I need to service her. Oh shoot. That's good, just grinding down the wheels. Good, that'll be good. Now, to get Betsy in. There. I just noticed I haven't really been doing whistle signals, even though I want to, but I kind of want to, but I don't know if I will annoy you guys, you viewers. Brakes. Shut on the brakes. See, that snowplow right there, just sitting there. Oh no, that's great. Just lovely. Two cars. Two cars. No, one car and 3/4. And that's where I'm gonna end the video, guys. I hope you guys like it. Well, with that being said, well, make sure to like and subscribe. It's completely optional, like Dream says. And see ya!